Students, on the basis of the nature and the frequency of the eruptions, we can classify the volcanoes in three types, and the names are active volcano, dormant volcano, and the third type is extinct volcanoes. Okay, and next very important topic is earthquakes, and everyone know about the earthquakes. Tremors and the vibration in the crust of the earth are called the earthquake. Simply, we can say that the shaking of the earth. Okay, the shaking of the earth and the movement caused by the internal forces of the earth is known as the earthquake. Most of the earthquakes are a result of the action of the internal forces of the earth. It means the pressure inside the earth, and they generally occur due to the sudden movement of the earth crust. Some minor earthquakes may, however, be caused by external causes. It means the both internal and external causes are responsible for earthquake, such as a landslides or the bursting of a dam also. So here tremors means the movements and the sudden shaking of the earth caused by the internal forces of the earth is called the earthquake. The point in the interior of the earth from where the earthquake and the tremors originate is called the focus or the seismic focus. Earthquake tremors move from the focus in all direction. Seismic focus, the scientist and the study about the earthquakes are known as the seismology. So the focus is also known as the seismic focus. So earthquake tremors move from the focus in all direction. The point on the earth surface vertically above the focus is called the epicenter. Simply, we can say that it originates from the interior of the earth, and the point of origin is called the focus, and the point on the surface of the earth exactly above the focus is called the epicenter. It is at this point that the earthquake is felt first of all. Intensity of an earthquake is also the maximum at its epicenter. However, the effect of an earthquake is felt over a very large area, and the intensity, we can see the speed of the tremors keeps decreasing with increasing distance from the epicenter. It means the earthquake sent shock waves all around and cause a widespread destructions to life and property. The vibration of an earthquake spread out as the concentric waves from the focus, and these vibrations are called the seismic waves, and the intensity of the earthquake is maximum near the epicenter, and the surface of the earth can shake due to movements of the lithosphere plate, mean the hard crusty plates, volcanic eruptions, or even bomb explosions, atom bomb explosions. So the intensity of an earthquake is measured with the help of an instrument called seismograph. It is an instrument that is helpful to measure the earthquake intensity, and the scale that is used to measure the earthquake known as the Richter scale. Okay.